Ponte con mami. Rápido, rápido. No me golpea. Pancito, mami, va. Nicole, mami. Mami. Max, mira lo que hay acá. Una foto, güey. ¿Eh? Claro que sí.
Es que no mueve su pata.
Mira. Bien.
Que la quite.
Good evening. Good evening. My name is Samuel. I'm your captain on this boat ride. Please, for your safety, don't remove your life jacket. Do not put your hands in the water. Don't touch any fish. Please, if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. Thank you. We are riding on top of 10 million liters of sea water from the boat to the bottom of the tunnel, 11 meters deep. What you see from your back here, this is our cage. Every 2 p.m. our divers lower this cage into the water, 5 meters deep, and feed them with the tuna, butter, and milk fish. We also have other diving activities here: scuba diving, snorkeling, and diving. If you are interested in it, you book your ticket. We have world trained divers. They will take you through the exercise. Sand tiger shark with 300 teeth in his mouth. The rocks and the corals you see are all artificial. They are not real ones. From your back here, this is our platform. If you have the ultimate package, you are entitled to go there to feed the fish by yourself. Below is the tunnel, bullmouth guitar fish, sand tiger shark with 300 teeth in his mouth. The temperature of the water is 24.5 degrees. What you see from my back here, this is our quarantine area. We can also call it the hospital of the fish. Sand tiger. These sharks are very important in the ocean. They are on top of the food chain. They balance the ecosystem of the ocean by eating the dead fish, the sick ones, and the injured fish in the ocean. They clean the ocean. But nowadays, the sharks are in danger. In some countries, they kill them. They cut their fin and use it for shark fin soup, which is not a good practice. So we should spread the good news of our sand tiger sharks. Below the tunnel is zebra shark. Fish don't sleep, they rest. The sleeping fish is the one you find in your mommy's kitchen. What you see from my back here, this is our life supporting system. Every 85 minutes, spotted eagle ray, spotted eagle ray. Every 85 minutes, all these 10 million liters of seawater is filtered and used again. That is why the water is clean and stable. All this sea water you see here was driven here through by trucks from Japan alone. Our divers uses a vacuum process to clean inside the tank. Spotted eagle ray, we have 20,000 fish, 85 different kinds of species. Thank you once again. I hope you enjoy the ride. If you have the ultimate package, you are entitled to go to the platform and feed the fish by yourself. Then leopard stingray, bullmouth without fish, pompano fish. Please watch your head.